Ultra-Shear added the manufacturing capacity to produce the finest carbide-tipped router bits on the market. And we're kicking off our carbide-tipped catalog with the most needed bits in any woodworking shop. Roundovers, in both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shanks. Ultra-Shear carbide-tipped roundover bits feature extra thick micro-grain carbide, a shear cutting angle, and ultra-fine grinding on both the face and bevel. The larger than normal 5/8 inch bearing delivers longer life and reduces telegraphing of minor imperfections in the workpiece edge. Choose 1/2 inch shank bits anytime you're using a router with 1/2 inch collet capacity. The 1/4 inch shank bits are perfect for handheld jobs with smaller routers. Radius profiles of 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/8 inch are available in 1/2 inch shank. 3/8, 1/4, and 1/8 are available in 1/4 inch shank. This is just the beginning of our range of top quality, American-made carbide-tipped router bits. Watch your inbox and YouTube for new profiles coming soon. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear carbide-tipped roundover bits, a workshop standard elevated to professional grade, but priced for any shop. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.